Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone is on iOS 14 or later and unlocked. This ensures widget support. Next, long press any empty area on your home screen until icons jiggle. That activates edit mode. Once done, tap the plus at the top left to open the widget gallery. You do this now so you can add the battery widget directly. It saves time versus digging through settings. Make sure Bluetooth is on if you want to show accessories like AirPods. You scroll or search to find the batteries widget in the gallery because it lists device and paired accessory levels together. Choose between small, medium, or large sizes. The small shows percentage, medium shows multiple devices. Preview to confirm. Once you tap Add Widget, the widget drops onto your home screen in edit mode, and you can drag it where you want. If you prefer Today View, drop it there. Smart Stack works too, so consider adding the battery to a stack for contextual. Finish by tapping Done so your changes stick, then check the percentages for iPhone and paired accessories. The battery widget updates automatically. If you need to move or change it later, long press the widget and choose Edit Stack or Remove Widget to reposition or delete it. If the widget doesn't appear or shows stale data, reboot the phone, toggle Bluetooth for accessory reporting, and make sure iOS is up to date. As a key troubleshooting tip, force a restart, which often restores widget behavior when nothing else works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.